How many times have you found yourself wondering if there was an easier way to gather what your students know and then figure out what they're struggling with and how can you better meet their needs?
Well, Google's Form app is a great solution to help you solve challenges like this. And the best part is it's simple and free.
And you can't beat free, and as long as it's of good quality. So let's take a closer look and see why this can be such a helpful resource.
Well, first of all, it's found inside Google's Drive collection of apps, and it's a simple way to create an online survey in order to gather data.
Okay, well, these survey responses, what I like about them is they can be text or check boxes, multiple choice, and there's many other options as well.
Well, since these responses are gathered online, getting feedback is literally instantaneous.
You're right.
The information gets placed into a Google spreadsheet as soon as a response is given.
This means that you can see your responses instantly, and so this could even be done during class as an exit kind of activity.
Absolutely, and another great feature is that students don't need a Google account to sign in to begin using this.
And that's been a problem in a number of districts, that they have to have the account, and with this, no
they
problem.
Don't need it, so you don't need to worry about that. As long as they've got access online, they can go ahead and complete the form and give you the responses that you're looking for.
Wonderful. And this may sound like it requires a lot of prep time and technical know-how, but we're going to show you that the process is really quite simple.
Yeah, it is. And all of this sounds really exciting, but really, we haven't answered the question yet, Jennifer. Why use Google Forms in the classroom?
And there are lots of practical reasons. Time saving is a big one. For me, it's about getting that detailed feedback from all of my students in a way that really doesn't create more paperwork.
And who needs that?
No one does. And it's one of many advantages that we're going to discuss.
Well, in order to get started, you're going to need a free Google account. You may already have one that your school or district's IT department has set up for you already.
And if you don't, it's not a big deal. Just visit google.com, select +U in the upper left-hand corner to begin creating your own.
And you're going to need either a laptop, a desktop, a smartphone, or a tablet computer.
And I would stick with the laptop or desktop to start with.
If at all possible. And don't forget, you're going to need a connection to the internet to take full advantage of this training.
All right, Rich, let's talk about the rest of this course and what we're going to cover.
Sounds great. We're going to discuss creating a form, question types, a tour of the menu, gathering and analyzing responses, creating a self-graded quiz, and classroom application ideas.
We encourage you to practice the topics as we go along so that you can learn and pause as you go through the video and try things out, and then go ahead and resume the episode when you're ready.
Yeah, and don't forget, you can always come back at any time. We're still going to be here. So join us as we guide you into learning about Google's Form app in order to help you create an easy-to-use feedback form.